Hey guys, my name's Mike Berlin from Slam Car Wash Marketing, and every few weeks I'm going to bring you some new ideas to consider when marketing your car wash. I call it the Slam 6. Today, I'm preaching about signage. Number 1, Negative Nancy. Many times when I pull up to a car wash, I'm greeted by signs talking about the trucks that we don't wash, the things that we're not responsible for, the Uber drivers that we don't allow, the area where you need to go to get the bugs off yourself, and the volume of music that we don't allow. Remember, this is your first impression to the customer. If you have to have some of those signs, think about moving them to after the pay station, in the stack space, after the customer's bought something. When they first drive up on the lot, welcome your customer with open arms and sell them an unlimited plan. Number 2, visual noise. Graphic design in the car wash industry has been pretty notorious for the idea of some is good, so more must be better. I would argue that too much bling on your signage becomes visual noise. You can confuse your customer and slow down the line and cause them to make a quick decision, like, just give me the cheapest wash. Look around at established national brands and take note of how much they use empty space in their design and how little they use bevels, drop shadows, outlines, starburst, and bubbles. For reference, look at Chick-fil-A's menu or Dunkin' Donuts. They have a fun, playful brand like many car washes, but still restrained and very clean with their graphic design. Number 3, make a brand guide. So we have a brand new car wash. We start out with a great logo and we hire sign company A to make our menu. It looks great. Then a few years later, we hire Fast Signs locally to make something else. It's a slightly different take on our look, but it looks good. The next summer, you hire a new graphic designer right out of school. They show off and make something totally cool. Pretty soon, every sign on your property has its own look, and we've lost our consistency in the brand. A brand guide is a document that goes into great detail on how you can and can't use your logo. It also lists out approved fonts, colors, and icons. That way, next time you hire somebody to make a sign, you give them this document and they follow it to a T. This is how you begin to have brand consistency. Number 4, sign overload. Just because a wonderful chemical vendor gave you a new Windjammer sign, it doesn't mean it has to sit right next to your Unlimited Wash Club sign and compete for your customer's attention. Look around your lot. Take note of each sign and ask yourself, do I really need it? Especially in the entrance lane and the pay station area, you want to be very careful about where you direct your customer's attention. Just be very intentional with your signage and think about where you're asking your customer to look when they arrive. Number 5, tunnel bling. Yes, this is where I see the best operators going all out. I do love the Sonny's fusion system because the lights are coordinated with the applicators and the chemistry. So when you ride under the seal arch, it's green, and the rinse arch is always blue, and the wax is yellow, and the dryers are red. I see people using projections on the windshields of cars. I hear customers talking about it all the time. The excitement in the tunnel is all the rage. Customers eat it up, so keep it up. And number 6, what do you see from the road? Every year I have the chance to visit car washes all over the country with Anthony Analetto shooting case study videos for Sonny's. And he always says, you gotta see the word car wash and free vacuums from the road. That's not true. He says, you gotta see the word free vacs and car wash from the road. It's my best Anthony. So true though. Here's what I suggest. Every so often, walk across the street from your car wash and take a few pictures of what you see. Then study those pictures and see what you notice. Make sure all the vac hoses are hanging in the same way. All the trash cans are the same color. Paint your traffic cones to match your brand. Perception from the road means so much to the customer. All right, that's your Slam 6 this week for car wash signage. I hope this gets you fired up about marketing your car wash. And if you have some questions, give us a buzz at Slam. I'd like to give a big thanks to the folks at Sonny's The Car Wash Factory who sponsor this video series. They are the best in the business, and as many of you know, they can help you win in the car wash business. Lastly, if you like this video, follow us on Facebook, and we will keep sending you fresh ideas on marketing your car wash. Thanks for watching. Now go get slammed.